In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy phones on 1688 2025 step by step. If you're new to 1688, it's a China-based wholesale marketplace, and buying safely comes down to doing careful checks and keeping every part of the transaction on the platform. Start by opening the seller's store and evaluating credibility. Look for at least 3 years of operation, because longevity usually means stability. Check their rating icons like diamonds or crowns and scan their transaction volume to see consistent sales over time. Real buyer photos tell you what actually arrives, and a detailed product description shows the seller knows the item well. Be cautious of brand new stores with unusually low prices that seem too good to be true. Before you buy, chat with the seller and lock down the details. Ask if the phone is 100% brand new and whether it's factory unlocked. Confirm whether it ships with a China ROM or a global ROM and whether it supports Google services, which can matter a lot outside China. Request an IMEI photo so you can verify authenticity later. Take clear screenshots of every reply. Those messages become your evidence if anything goes wrong. If you don't speak Chinese, use a translator tool and keep questions short and specific. Place a small test order first. Buy one unit only and resist the urge to bulk order before you've validated the supplier. Pay using Alipay escrow. It's designed to hold your funds safely until you confirm the order is correct. When you're ready to check out, add the phone to your cart, proceed to checkout, select Alipay, and confirm payment. Never pay outside 1688 even if a seller offers a discount, because you'll lose escrow protection. Since most 1688 sellers don't ship internationally, use a freight forwarder. Enter the forwarder's Chinese warehouse address as your shipping address on 1688. The forwarder will receive the phone, inspect it if you request, and then ship it to your country. Many forwarders can consolidate shipments and guide you on customs. Before you confirm receipt on 1688, ask the warehouse to open the box, check that the factory seal is intact, power on the phone, and verify the IMEI matches what the seller provided. If possible, have them record the unboxing so you have time-stamped proof. Do not confirm receipt if the seal is broken, the phone appears used or refurbished, the model or storage is wrong, or the device is network locked. Instead, file a dispute immediately and attach your screenshots and unboxing evidence. Follow these steps and you'll minimize risk and buy phones on 1688 with confidence.